If you're trying to make money online and you're stuck between choosing affiliate marketing or creating your own digital product, hopefully this video saves you some time and a lot of wasted effort, because they both can work, but one is far more realistic for beginners. And this is where most people get stuck. They know they need to make money, they've watched hours of YouTube videos, and now they're overwhelmed by information overload because there's so much conflicting information out there. Some people are saying create your own products, other people are saying affiliate marketing is the best way to start. And the truth is, choosing the wrong path is why most people quit without ever seeing a dollar online. What usually happens for people, they decide to create their own product. And suddenly as a beginner you're dealing with what to sell, who to sell it to, how to build it, how to host it, how to take payments, how to market it, and how to get traffic. Before you know it, you're stuck, overwhelmed, and you've got a product that probably won't even make any sales. And before you know it, you've put all the hard work in, but you've probably never seen any results. And before you ever make a dollar, you're totally exhausted. And it's not because you didn't put the hard work in, it's because you're trying to do everything at once. Let's break this down simply. Creating your own digital product requires so much attention. Deep expertise in one specific topic. Content creation. You need all the tech set up. You need to build an audience from scratch, and it comes with a lot of trial and error. It can work, and it's working for lots of people out there in specific targeted niches, but it's slow and unforgiving for beginners. And affiliate marketing, when done properly, removes most of that. You don't create the product, you don't handle the delivery or the customer service. All you got to do is connect the right person with the right result. Your job is one thing only: learning how to connect the right person to the right solution. You share your link, and if they purchase, you get paid a commission. It's as simple as that. And here's the part most people miss about making money online. It's about reducing friction. The less moving parts you have at the beginning, the more chance you have to see success. That's why so many beginners fail. It's not the lack of effort. They fail because everything becomes overwhelming and just too complex. And I know exactly how this feels because I tried for almost 2 years before I found the model that I work with today. I made this mistake myself for nearly 2 years. I tried building everything from scratch and trying to figure everything out alone. And nothing worked for me until I found a clear step-by-step system to follow. It even came with daily action step videos. Now some people genuinely want to build everything from scratch, and that's okay. But if you want the easiest, fastest and least expensive way, but if you want a proven path and everything laid out for you, then starting something with done for you systems makes far more sense. That's why I put together a free escape plan. It breaks down the exact model I follow, the simple steps I took in the right order, what works, what to ignore, and how to avoid the mistakes like I did that people constantly make. Grab it below in the comments. For us folk over 50, it's not about working harder anymore, it's about working smarter. You just need a simple path. And like always, believe in yourself and never give up.